Earn cash for your business through Stuller's safe and reliable Clean Scrap program. Stuller accepts a 10-carat minimum for melee stones that are less than 30 points. Once we receive your shipment and packing slip, we qualify the diamonds and verify the weight. Our diamond experts then analyze the product to determine an offer. You will receive an offer from one of our diamond sales specialists within 5 business days. Once accepted, within a week you will receive payment through the method of your choice: check, Stuller account credit, or a combination of the two. Have larger diamonds to sell? Stuller will buy those items on an individual basis. We buy everything, regardless of size, shape, or color. For more information on how to submit your diamond scrap, visit stuller.com/diamondcleanscrap.